Hello, and welcome to OnlySocial. In this video, I will show you how to automatically respond when someone mentions you in their Instagram story using our powerful SalesBot tool. Let's get started. To begin, navigate to the Bot Manager under the Instagram Tools section. Next, select the Instagram business account you would like to automate responses for. Once you have selected your account, click on the Action button, Settings. Here, you will see the Story Mention template. Click on the template, and you will be redirected to the Visual Flow Builder. This builder comes with a default story reply template that you can customize to suit your needs. Here, I will add a simple text reply and a button where we can offer a complimentary 7-day trial to individuals who mentions our name on their Instagram stories. Now, let's check the private reply for the story. Yes, it's working perfectly. You have just set up an automated system to privately reply to anyone who comments on your Instagram story, which enhances your engagement and maintains a personal touch with your audience. Remember, engaging with your followers is key to building a strong community. This marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching.